If someone wants to list down the features of Python, they would be: it is simple, it is easy to learn, it is free and open source, it's a high level language, it's interpreted, portable, object oriented, extensible, embeddable, has extensive libraries. In short, Python is a feature rich language. Now let's talk about one by one on what exactly these features mean. Python is a simple and minimalistic language. Reading a good Python program feels almost like reading English, although very strict English. This pseudocode nature of Python is one of its greatest strengths. It allows you to concentrate on the solution rather than the language itself. As you will see, Python is extremely easy to get started with. Python has a extraordinarily simple syntax, as already mentioned. Python is an example of a FLOSS, that is free, libre and open source software. In simple terms, you can freely distribute copies of this software, read its source code, make changes to it, and use pieces of it in new free programs. FLOSS is based on the concept of a community which shares knowledge. This is one of the reasons why Python is so good. It has been created and is in constant improvement phase by a community who just wants to see a better Python. When you write programs in Python, you never need to bother about the low level details, such as managing the memory used by your program, etc. Python is portable. Due to its open source nature, Python has been ported to many platforms. All your Python programs can work on any of these platforms without requiring any changes at all, if you are careful enough to avoid any system dependent features. You can use Python on GNU Linux, Windows, FreeBSD, Amiga, Pocket PC. You can even use a platform like Kiwi to create games for your computer and for iPhone, iPad and Android. Python is interpreted. So this requires a bit of explanation. A program written in a compiled language like C or C++ is converted from the source language, that is C or C++, into a language that is spoken by your computer, that is zeros and ones, using a compiler with various flags and options. When you run the program, the linker loader software copies the program from hard disk to memory and starts running it. Now Python, on the other hand, does not need compilation to binary. You just run the program directly from the source code. Internally, Python converts the source code into an intermediate form called bytecodes and then translates this into the native language of your computer and then runs it. All this actually makes using Python much more easier, since you don't have to worry about compiling the program, make sure that the proper libraries are linked and loaded, and other things. This also makes your Python programs much more portable, since you can just copy your Python program onto another computer and it just works. Python is object oriented. Python supports procedure oriented programming as well as object oriented programming. In procedure oriented languages, the program is built around procedures or functions which are nothing but reusable pieces of program. In object oriented language, the program is built around objects which combine data and functionality. Python has a very powerful, but Python has extensive libraries. The Python Student library is a huge indeed. It can help you do various things involving regular expressions, document generation, unit testing, threading, databases, web browsers, CGI, FTP, email, XML, HTML, cryptography, graphical user interfaces, and other system dependent stuff. Remember, all this is available wherever Python is installed. This is called batteries included philosophy of Python. Besides the standard library, there are various other high quality libraries which you can find at the Python package index. So, in summary, Python is indeed an exciting and powerful language. It has the right combination of performance and features that make writing programs in Python both fun and easy.